Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing dirt and grime off your driveway, patio, or car? Do you wish there was a tool that could make these cleaning tasks faster, easier, and even enjoyable? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving into the world of electric pressure washers to uncover the best models available. Whether you're looking for something compact and budget-friendly or a high-powered machine that can tackle tough jobs, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 10 electric pressure washers. We'll break down their features, performance, and even some drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. So grab a seat and let's get started. 10. CRAFTSMAN KMEPU 1700. The CRAFTSMAN KMEPU 1700 is an entry-level electric pressure washer designed for light-duty cleaning tasks. With its 1700 psi and 1.2 GPM, this compact unit offers a total cleaning power of 24T cleaning units, making it ideal for small jobs like washing cars, outdoor furniture, or patios. Its 13-amp universal motor powers an axial cam pump, ensuring consistent performance for everyday household use. During testing, I found the KMEPU 1700 to be incredibly lightweight at just 17.6 pounds, which makes it easy to carry around. The onboard storage for nozzles and accessories is a thoughtful addition, keeping everything organized and accessible. The unit includes a 20 feet high-pressure hose, a 35 feet GFCI power cord, and two nozzles, a 40 degrees nozzle for gentle cleaning and a turbo nozzle for tougher stains. The foam cannon attachment is also handy for applying soap to surfaces. However, the KMEPU 1700 has its limitations. While it's great for smaller tasks, the low GPM means it struggles with more stubborn grime or larger areas like driveways or decks. Additionally, the lack of wheels can make it less convenient to move around during extended use, especially when working on uneven surfaces. The plastic frame, while lightweight, feels less durable compared to models with metal construction. 9. Ryobi RY1419MT. The Ryobi RY1419MT steps up from our previous pick with 1900 psi and 1.2 GPM, resulting in a slightly higher cleaning power of 2280 cleaning units. This model is designed for light to medium-duty cleaning tasks such as washing patios, siding, or vehicles. Its compact design features two never-flat wheels and a telescoping handle, making it easy to maneuver and store. One of the standout features of the RY1419MT is its versatility. It comes with three nozzles, a 15 degrees nozzle, a turbo nozzle for increased cleaning power, and a soap nozzle that works with the onboard detergent tank. The soap tank automatically dilutes detergent at a 20:1 ratio, ensuring efficient application without overuse of soap. During testing, I found the turbo nozzle particularly effective at removing moss and mildew from patio pavers. While the RY1419MT performs well overall, there are some areas for improvement. The hose length, 25 feet, can feel restrictive when working on larger surfaces, requiring frequent repositioning of the unit. Additionally, the onboard storage design could be more robust. The spray gun holder isn't very secure when the unit is stored upright. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Ryobi RY1419MT offers excellent value for its price point. It's compact, portable, and powerful enough for most household cleaning tasks, making it a great option for those who need something versatile yet affordable. 8. Sunjo SPX 3000. The Sunjo SPX 3000 is one of the most popular electric pressure washers on the market, and for good reason. With an impressive 2030 psi and 1.76 GPM, this model delivers a total cleaning power of over 3,500 cleaning units, making it suitable for medium-duty tasks like cleaning decks, driveways, cars, and siding. One of the SPX 3000's standout features is its dual detergent tanks, which allow you to switch between two different cleaning solutions with ease, perfect for tackling multiple surfaces in one session. It also includes 5 quick connect nozzles, 0 degree, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap, offering maximum flexibility for various cleaning needs. The total stop system, TSS, automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger isn't engaged, prolonging motor life and saving energy. In my tests, I found the SPX 3000 to be highly effective at removing mildew from concrete and dirt from composite decking. Its electric operation means minimal maintenance compared to gas-powered models, a big plus if you're looking for convenience. However, assembly can be tedious. Putting together all the components took longer than expected compared to other models I've tested. Another downside is that some users report issues with durability over time, particularly leaks from the motor casing or connections loosening after extended use. Despite these concerns, the SPX 3000 remains an excellent mid-range option that balances power, versatility, and affordability. 7. CRAFTSMAN KMEPU 2100. The CRAFTSMAN KMEPU 2100 takes things up a notch with its 2100 psi and 1.2 GPM, offering a total cleaning power of 2,520 cleaning units. This model is designed for medium-duty cleaning tasks like washing driveways, fences, or siding, and it performs admirably in these scenarios. What sets this model apart is its thoughtful design features. The hand truck-style frame includes large 10-inch wheels, making it easy to move across uneven terrain or around obstacles in your yard. The onboard storage keeps all accessories, including 4 nozzles, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, turbo, neatly organized and within reach during use. During testing, I found the turbo nozzle particularly effective at removing stubborn stains from concrete surfaces. It cut through grime much faster than standard nozzles on other models I've used. The Total Stop System, TSS, further enhances usability by automatically shutting off the motor when not in use, saving energy and extending pump life. However, like many electric pressure washers in this price range, the KMEPU 2100 has its limitations. The water flow rate of 1.2 GPM can feel underwhelming when rinsing large areas or dealing with heavy debris buildup. Additionally, while it's more durable than lighter models like the KMEPU 1700, it's not quite robust enough to handle industrial-grade tasks. All things considered, the CRAFTSMAN KMEPU 2100 strikes an excellent balance between power and portability, making it a solid choice for homeowners who need reliable performance without venturing into gas-powered territory. 6. Dewalt DWP 2100. The Dewalt DWP 2100 is a compact yet powerful electric pressure washer that delivers 2,100 psi at 1.2 GPM, offering a respectable cleaning power of 2,520 cleaning units. Known for their rugged and durable tools, Dewalt has designed this model with both performance and portability in mind, making it ideal for medium-duty cleaning tasks like washing cars, patios, or outdoor furniture. One of the first things you notice about the DWP 2100 is its solid construction. The frame feels sturdy and well-built, with a design that prioritizes durability. It features 10-inch pneumatic wheels, which make it easy to move across uneven terrain like gravel or grass. The unit also includes onboard storage for the hose, nozzles, and power cord, keeping everything organized and within reach during use. During testing, I was impressed by the performance of the included turbo nozzle, which significantly enhances cleaning efficiency on stubborn grime and stains. The soap nozzle and onboard detergent tank also worked well for applying cleaning solutions evenly across surfaces like siding or vehicles. The Total Stop System, TSS, is another great feature. It automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger isn't engaged, extending motor life and conserving energy. However, there are a couple of drawbacks to consider. While the DWP 2100 is powerful enough for most residential tasks, its 1.2 GPM flow rate might feel limiting when tackling larger areas like driveways or heavily soiled decks. Additionally, it's priced higher than some competitors in its class, which could be a deterrent for budget-conscious buyers. Overall, the Dewalt DWP 2100 is a reliable and durable option that excels in medium-duty cleaning tasks. Its rugged build quality and thoughtful design make it a great choice for those who value longevity and performance in their tools. 5. Ryobi RY140 2500C. The Ryobi RY140 2500C marks an impressive step up in power and usability with its 2,300 psi at 1.2 GPM, delivering a cleaning power of 2,760 cleaning units. This model is designed for those who need a versatile pressure washer capable of handling medium to heavy-duty cleaning tasks like washing driveways, fences, or even prepping surfaces for painting. One of the standout features of this model is its brushless motor, which ensures a longer lifespan while operating more quietly than traditional motors. This makes it an excellent choice for residential users who want powerful performance without excessive noise. The unit comes with 3 nozzles, a 15 degrees nozzle, a turbo nozzle for tough stains, and a soap nozzle that works seamlessly with the built-in detergent tank. During testing, I found the RY142,500C to be incredibly user-friendly. The inclusion of a kink-resistant 25 feet high-pressure hose eliminates one of the most common frustrations when using pressure washers. Its large wheels and telescoping handle make it easy to maneuver around your yard or driveway, even on uneven surfaces. However, while this model performs admirably overall, I did notice that the soap dispenser could be more efficient. It sometimes struggled to dispense detergent evenly across surfaces. Additionally, while the 25 feet hose is adequate for most tasks, it might feel restrictive when working on larger areas where repositioning the unit frequently becomes necessary. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Ryobi RY142,500C offers excellent value for its price point. Its combination of power, quiet operation, and user-friendly features makes it one of the best electric pressure washers in its class. 4. Westinghouse WPX 3200. At number 4 on our list is the Westinghouse WPX 3200, a gas-powered pressure washer that delivers an incredible 3,200 psi at 2.5 GPM, resulting in an impressive cleaning power of 8,000 cleaning units, the highest on this list so far. While most models we've covered are electric, this hybrid option is worth mentioning due to its unmatched power and versatility for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. The WPX 3200 is built like a tank with its steel frame construction and robust design. It's equipped with 5 quick connect nozzles, 0 degree, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap, giving you maximum flexibility for tackling different surfaces, from delicate wood decks to heavily stained concrete driveways. The onboard detergent tank holds up to 1 gallon of soap solution, making it easy to switch between water-only cleaning and deep cleaning applications. In my hands-on experience with this model, I was blown away by its raw power. It made short work of oil stains on my driveway and stripped years of grime from my backyard fence in minutes. The high flow rate, 2.5 GPM, ensures thorough rinsing without leaving behind residue, a feature that's particularly useful when working on large surfaces. However, as powerful as it is, there are some trade-offs to consider. First, being gas-powered means it requires regular maintenance like oil changes and fuel refills, something electric users might not be accustomed to. Second, it's heavier than electric models at over 60 pounds, which can make maneuvering it more challenging despite its large wheels. For those who need industrial-grade performance and don't mind the added weight or maintenance requirements, the Westinghouse WPX 3200 is an exceptional choice. It's perfect for homeowners or professionals tackling demanding jobs where only top-tier power will suffice. At number 3, we have the Greenworks 3000 psi True Brushless Electric Pressure Washer. A true game-changer in the world of electric pressure washers. With 3,000 psi at 2 GPM, this model delivers professional-grade cleaning power while maintaining the convenience of an all-electric design. Its brushless motor not only ensures durability, but also operates more quietly than traditional motors, a big plus for residential users. One thing that stood out during testing was its versatility. The Greenworks 3000 comes with 5 quick connect nozzles, including a turbo nozzle that's perfect for blasting away stubborn dirt and grime. The long 35-foot power cord and kink-resistant hose provide excellent reach, making it ideal for larger areas like patios or driveways. In terms of user experience, this model excelled in both performance and ease of use. It handled everything from delicate surfaces like wooden decks to tough jobs like concrete cleaning without missing a beat. However, I did find that its bulkier frame could be challenging to maneuver in tighter spaces or around obstacles. Despite this minor drawback, its combination of power, reliability, and quiet operation makes it one of the best electric pressure washers on the market. Taking the runner-up spot is the Ego HPW 3200. a cordless electric pressure washer that redefines convenience without compromising on performance. Powered by EGO's advanced lithium-ion battery system, this model delivers up to 3,200 psi at 2 GPM, rivaling many gas-powered units in terms of cleaning power. What sets this machine apart is its cordless design. It offers unmatched freedom of movement without being tethered to an outlet or dealing with gas fumes. During testing, I found it especially useful for outdoor tasks where access to power outlets was limited, such as cleaning boats or remote areas of my yard. The unit also includes 5 nozzles, ranging from pinpoint precision to wide spray, and a built-in detergent tank for added versatility. While I was thoroughly impressed by its portability and power, there are some trade-offs to consider. The battery life can be limiting during extended use. You'll likely need an extra battery if you're tackling larger projects. Additionally, its premium price tag might deter budget-conscious buyers. That said, if you value cutting-edge technology and ultimate convenience, the EGO HPW 3200 is worth every penny. Finally, taking the crown as our #1 pick is the Greenworks Pro 2500 Psi brushless electric pressure washer. A machine that strikes the perfect balance between power, performance, and user-friendliness. With 2,500 psi at 2.1 GPM, this industrial-grade unit delivers exceptional cleaning power while remaining easy to use for residential applications. One of the standout features of this model is its brushless motor, which ensures long-term durability and quieter operation compared to traditional motors. It comes with 5 quick-connect nozzles, including a turbo nozzle, that allow you to tackle everything from light-duty tasks like washing cars to heavy-duty jobs like removing oil stains from concrete driveways. In testing, I found this pressure washer incredibly reliable. It handled every task I threw at it with ease. The sturdy metal frame and large wheels made it easy to move across uneven surfaces without tipping over. One feature I particularly appreciated was its quiet operation. It's noticeably quieter than many other models in its class without sacrificing performance. If I had to nitpick one downside, it would be the slightly longer assembler time out of the box due to its detailed design. However, once set up, it performed flawlessly and quickly became my go-to tool for all types of cleaning tasks. And there you have it, the ultimate countdown of the best electric pressure washers. From budget-friendly options like the CRAFTSMAN Kmepu 1700 to high-performance machines like our top pick, the Greenworks Pro 2500 Psi, there's something on this list for everyone. Whether you're looking for portability, raw power, or advanced features like cordless operation or dual detergent tanks, these pressure washers have you covered. Which one do you think suits your needs best? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on tools that make your life easier. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning!